Today we will dig deep into the world of dinosaurs. So, if you are ready, let me welcome you to
Jurassic World. As you can see, we are here at our iconic gates, and I know what's behind me is really cool. But quickly, for your safety, we ask you please not climb, sit, or stand on any of our rocks, trees, or fences. You're more than welcome to take any pictures or videos that you would like while you're here.
She sure is. Hello everyone, we're bringing out for you to see and meet a baby dinosaur. Now this baby dinosaur in particular is called our baby Parasaurolophus. And the name Parasaurolophus means near crested lizard. So if you are going to come on by and say hello and give her a nice little pet, we do ask that we pet her right here on the top of her crest, trying to avoid her skin, her hands, her tail, just on the top of her head. Now that's her favorite place on that head. Be very gentle with her. Again, she's still just a baby. So the moments of times there are the favorite
I'm pretty excited to get the dinosaur.
Here, our scientists, rangers, and handlers work with velociraptors, gaining insight into how they think, move, and hunt. Let's learn about these amazing creatures. Velociraptors, or raptors as they are more commonly known, are part of the Dromaeosauridae family, who first appeared in the Jurassic period, and for more than 100 million years lived on Earth. Today, you will get a rare behind-the-scenes encounter with one of Jurassic World's most incredible raptors, Blue. A word of warning. Although you're safe behind the enclosure, please keep your distance. Despite all of our work here, raptors remain carnivores with killer instincts. And now, I'd like for you to meet Blue! Here, Blue, come. Blue, keep your eyes here on me. Steady, Blue, steady. All right, Blue, move to your right, my left.
Yeah.
Very good. Now let's move to your left, my right. Good. This is for you. Good. Eyes up. Now, go. Remarkable creatures, aren't they? Now you've seen how our animal behaviorists train a raptor. Thank you for coming, and please enjoy the rest of your time at Jurassic World.
Yes, Fred. Sorry I couldn't look at you to answer your question, so I'll do that now. Yes, you are correct. We're actually cloned in the labs, right? Like the other dinosaurs too, are clones.
Oh my god. can't see her from the front.
I like this dinosaur. It's cool and creepy, and it's blue. There's blue because of the light reflection. Yeah, looks real fake. It would have been attacking right now this moment. Oh my gosh, why is it so big?
And now it's time to see a real fight. And it looks like the T-Rex has won. Now check out those baby dinosaurs. Imagine if they were real. They kinda look cute, don't they?